Now moving on, IAC activist Arvind Kejriwal claims to expose a top political leader today. Let's look at the story for more details.
His last expose shook the political class when Kejriwal decided to take businessman Robert Vadra head-on.
उनको DLF ने 65 करोड़ रुपए का अनसिक्योर्ड इंटरेस्ट फ्री लोन दिया. क्यों दिया?
And this time he promises a even bigger expose.
Let's wait till 10th October.
Come October 10th, these activists turned politicians are set to drop their second bombshell, claiming to expose another big political leader.
6 October you gave the name of Robert Vadra. What are we expecting on 10th October? किसका नाम आ सकता है?
थोड़ा इंतजार कीजिए, एक और बड़े नेता का नाम सामने आएगा.
After revealing the name of Robert Vadra a few days back, India Against Corruption will now be ready to expose a senior political leader on October 10th. Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia and several India Against Corruption members confirmed to Times Now that there would be a top political leader from the government who this time will be exposed for corruption.
But before that big revelation, India Against Corruption claim they're ready to divulge crucial details, confirming that there will be adequate proof to substantiate their claims against Vadra.
जहाँ-जहाँ लिंक होगा, जहाँ-जहाँ ठीक से चीजें सामने आएंगी, उनको हम लोगों के सामने रखेंगे, देश की जनता के सामने रखेंगे.
Their charge has stirred a political storm as Congress continues to firefight the crisis, ruling out investigation into Robert Vadra's dealings.
Unless there is a specific allegation of quid pro quo or corruption, I'm afraid private transactions cannot and ought not to be allowed to be questioned on the basis of imputations and insinuations.
The BJP, while being cautious, has demanded an immediate probe.
If there is anything which requires investigation, should be investigated.
And even as the Congress recovers from Kejriwal's big bombshell, political parties brace themselves for their next big shocker. And the massive speculation on who the next top political leader will be is slowly building up. With Pooja Shelley in New Delhi, Niranjan for Times Now.